What does it mean to be a shyness? See, a lot of people always ask that question, what is a shyness? Well, a shyness is someone what we like to consider a king's pride. See, we got to understand, what are you? Are you a king? Are you a queen? And are you going to carry yourself as such? See, being a shyness and making it your legacy is the only thing you need to do. That's the only remedy that I believe in. So here's what I'm telling you. What I'm telling you is that every day you must wake up with an idea and intention, and you got to think about a few things that you got to do. You got to think about 3 things you got to do to this world. Number 1, you got to make sure that you put yourself in a position to inspire people. And number 2, you got to always put yourself in a position to make sure that you educate people. And you got to make sure that you put yourself in a position to motivate people. While you think about doing these things for others, you must make sure that you're doing it for yourself first. You see, being a shyness is being a king's pride. And we are a movement that focuses on empowering women, but most importantly, we empower the men so they can empower the queen. You see, it's not just a woman movement, it's a movement to empower each other. But every king must be in a position to empower their queen. And the way you empower your queen is through 5 things. You must empower her spiritually. You got to make sure that you empower her mentally, emotionally, physically, and financially. Financial literacy is really the key, but spirituality is the foundation. So make sure you understand, when I say be a shyness and make it your legacy, that's what I'm here doing. I'm building kings who could build queens, so that way the queens and the king could build empires. That's what it's all about. My legacy is never to be a memory, but it's to make an impact. What are the impact you're making on this world? Go out there, be shyness.